Hi guys, this is an old vintage Starrett Tri Square that I bought off eBay. I think I paid 32 bucks for it. Uh, Looking a bit black, so I thought I'd give it a bit of a clean up. So sprayed it down with water and used a bit of 1000 grit wet and dry paper on it. Give it a scrub down with that, as you can see. Now after a while, when I stopped, I gave it a wipe down. The old 1000 grit wasn't doing that well really, so I decided what I would do is I would use some 600 dry sandpaper. So there's no water involved here guys, it's just 600 grit. Put that on, give that a scrub up. That seemed to be doing a lot better than the 1000 grit did. After a while, when I was happy with what I'd got, I thought go back to the 1000 grit and we'll give it one final sanding down with that, or polishing with that, whatever you want to call it. And I bought this old vintage one because I'd bought a couple of cheaper ones and to be honest they weren't really square. So I thought I'd try the old vintage Starrett, and yeah, it's great stuff. Give it all a wipe down, dry it all off, put it back together and try it for squareness. I'm trying it on here for squareness against the side of my saw and the runner, and it's perfectly square. And it turned out better than I expected. It's not 100% perfect, but it did the job.